Spiti Valley. This is a place where it holds you like a magnet and gives you unforgettable memories. And this is one of our good memories. This was our third week in Spiti Valley and we met them. One is Sophie, an ex-US Army officer and Mount Everest climber. And the other one is Mariam, who lived 7 years inside a forest in New Zealand and wrote a book, The Woman in the Wilderness. They both are currently doing the Himalayan trekking by their own.
We have two daunting. That's okay. This is American siblings.
We spent a day together with sharing our stories.
Wow, that's very nice.
Wow, thank you.
Okay.
We stayed together in a beautiful homestay in Kaza. As it is getting evening, we thought of cooking our dinner tonight. So we thought of going to Kaza market to pick something. We bought some chicken and some vegetables. We need to cook in the firewood. Sophie is having a loads of stories to share. She gone somewhere. And finally, we had the dinner together. And the next day, we thought of doing some yoga together.
So this completes the circuit, and for breathing you have to place the thumb in the right side. Inhale as
And after that, we had breakfast together and say goodbye to them. And we moved to our next destination. Now we are hitchhiking to Tabo. You will find new friends, new interactions while hitchhiking. We reached Tabo in 1.5 hours. Here we can see the oldest operating monastery in India. It's more than 1000 years old. It established on 996 AD. This old monastery complex has many temples and many stupas, all of which are made in mud, and it's been standing there for more than 100 years. We can see the brilliance of old architecture inside this monastery. We stayed in the monastery guest house for the night. Today, we are having an awareness session inside the monastery school.
कहते हैं ना कि ब्रश हम ब्रश भी करते हैं, पेस्ट भी लगाते हैं, फिर भी कैविटी हो जाता है, वो इसी वजह से।
After the dental and fitness awareness sessions, we are moving towards our next destination. We are moving towards the Nako village, and which is just 60 kilometers away from here. You can see very good quality apples from Tapo itself. As we didn't get any lift, we tried to walk. We can see loads of apple plantations on the way. Finally, we got a lift till halfway. And from there, we got our final lift to Nako village. Okay, bye. And after more than 1 hour of drive, we reached the Nako village. It's a small but beautiful village. There is a monastery in this village. Now we are going to the beautiful Nako lake, and the way is through the village. They are still preserving their old and beautiful homes made of stone. And finally, we reached the beautiful and clean Nako lake. You can also enjoy the boating on this lake. After spending some time here, we are back to the village.